We're doing it on Omega. Second ranked match of the night. I'm back with another ranked match. I'm gonna lose our post. If you're new, like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's get to the frames. Round 1. Dude. I already have him, so actually go for what do I do if I already have him? Let's just do the same combo, fuck it. I don't want to screw it up by, oh, yeah, just do the same exact combo. Oh shit. It's gonna be Gamma. And then Diviner. Effect. Send. Effect. Add. Activate for ultimateness using no, let's see, I want to do the exact same combo. Attribute I don't think that was the right zone, but matter. This, that, add it back. We're gonna use Beta Fafnir. We're gonna rank 6. I'm not gonna activate her effect just yet. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. Beatrice. Effect. Send. Eve effect, banish 1, 2, add 1 and 2. Okay. Dang, I wasn't able to do this guy's effect, but that's okay. Now we can actually this Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, we could have way more interruptions now. It's supposed to sack Mu Beta, but I had another DRYTRON name. So that's gonna be, let's go Alpha. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it's okay. This is gonna be a crazy board. I could, but what's the point? I won't be able to activate this effect. So, I'm gonna go for the IP. Does this guy have any materials? Oh shit. I don't think so. We have another. No, shit. Not sure. They're all gonna go anyways. So let's go. This first. And then. Yeah, that's it. It's gonna draw. I'm gonna shotgun Beatrice and Timmy. That's gonna be Eva. Look at the Eva. That's gonna have to be Eva, the other Eva. Oh, wait a minute, never mind. Yeah, never mind, because that's all the level 2s I have. That's all I have. Oh, Cyber Dragon Core. And I have to negate that. And then IP will go into Apple. 1, 2, 3 material Apple. Negates for days. Cyber repair points. Another cyber repair flyer. I'm just gonna damn it. Yes. Kind of want to add the DRYTRON ritual in the main deck. Kind of want to. Yeah, let's go for it. Ah, shit. I should have, that's okay. Should have did medium DRYTRON first. Delta effect. Reveal, and yep, nice. It's gonna increase Ida10's effect. Okay. Let's actually increase this guy's effect again. We can go like this. This guy's 4,000 now. Whew. Jeez. That was a big mistake. Fuck. Yeah, that was a big mistake. I should have kept it. Damn it. Probably should have just did that instead. Damn it. Oh, I could negate he has nib with Apple. Yeah. Next game. Let's do this. Flawless victory. Perfect. I don't want to decrease any of this or this or this or this. Any of those types. Shit. I don't want to go with that. That's it. What is that? Hold on. Be right back. FatZues72, is he gonna time out? Does he want any more of the DRYTRONs? Oh, it's got a minute to win it. It's got a minute to win it. Oh, lost connection, right on. Let's go. Where were we? I think we were at 11:23, 11:43, went up by 20. We were at 221, still at 221 yet. Haven't won continuously. So yeah, comment, share, like, and sub is to be collected. See you guys.